What's your name?
My name is Dale.
What's your name?
My name is Joanna Foot.
What's your name?
My name is Romeo Mia.
What's your name?
My name is Jennifer, and this is Susan.
What's your name?
My name is Dan Chen. You can just call me Dan. Yeah.
What's your name?
My name is Sam Knight.
How are you?
I'm very well, thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Geertje, and this is Esther.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Jane Davenport.
How are you?
I'm very well, thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Furkan.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.